Hello, everybody. This is our second go-around with intervals of seconds and thirds. This is page 4 of the free PDF downloads. And with seconds and thirds, we're dealing with 4 types. We know the majors, and from the majors, we can determine the minors, the diminished, and the augmented. So let's get started on this. We need A flat to B. Well, that's a second. And we know that A to B is major. Therefore, if I lower the A to an A flat, I make it wider and I have an augmented second. And what's G to A sharp? Well, I know the G scale G to A is 1 to 2, so that's a major second. I raise the top note, and major becomes augmented again. And what's a G sharp to B? Let's get rid of that G sharp because there's no G sharp scale. I know G to B is a third of some type. I know actually a G to B is a major third. So if I raise that bottom note, I'm diminishing the interval by a half step, so major becomes minor. And one more here, A flat to C. Well, we know A flat to C is 1 to 3 of A flat major scale, so that's a major third. There we go. Moving on, what's F sharp to A? Well, some type of third. I know that F to A is major, therefore I'm raising the bottom note, so I'm making major minor. And what's E flat to F sharp? Well, it's some kind of second. I know that E flat to F is major, therefore E flat to F sharp is augmented. And we have D to F, which is a third. I know that D to F sharp is major, therefore D to F is minor, minor third. And we B flat to D sharp, some type of third. I know that B flat to D is major, therefore B flat to D sharp is augmented. All right, next, C to E flat, some type of third. I know C to E is major, therefore C to E flat is minor. And what's B sharp to D sharp? Well, I don't know anything about a B sharp scale, but I sure know about a B scale. And I know that B to D sharp is major. Therefore, if I raise that bottom B to a B sharp, it makes it into a minor third. So this is a third, and then the quality is minor. And please note that the n-harmonic equivalent of this interval, B sharp, D sharp, is C to E flat. All right, moving on, we have a B flat to a C sharp, so that's some type of second. I know that B flat to C is a major second. I'm raising the top note, so it becomes an augmented second. And this next interval is very strange because it really doesn't fit into our criteria. Let's take a look. It's some type of a second. I need a D flat. I need to define a D flat to an E sharp. Well, I know that D flat to E flat is major. Therefore, D flat to E natural is augmented. And then if I sharp the E, it's doubly augmented. So I'm going to just put 2 A's here, but this is impractical. It'll never show up on a theory exam. And it was an oversight, to be truthful, on my part. All right, we have C sharp to E, some type of third. We know C to E is major, therefore C sharp to E is minor, minor third. And what's a B sharp to a D? Well, here again, there's no B sharp scale, but we do know that this is a third, and we know that B to D sharp is a major third. Therefore, B to D, what you're looking at, is a minor third. And then if I raise the bottom note a half step, I'm making it even smaller, and I have a diminished third. And what's B flat to C flat? Well, it's a second, and I know that B flat to C is major, therefore B flat to C flat is a minor second. And here we have F sharp to A flat, which is a third of some kind. What do we know about the F sharp scale? Well, F sharp to A sharp is major, therefore F sharp to A is minor, therefore F sharp to A flat is diminished. All right, we're in bass clef now. We have a D to an E, that's a second, and it's a major second because it's 1 to 2 of the D scale. And what's E to G? It's a third. I know that E to G sharp is major, therefore E to G is minor. And we have E flat to G. Well, we automatically know that that's a major third because we know our E flat scale. How about D flat to F? We also know that that's a major third because we know our D flat major scale. And let's look at C sharp to E sharp. Well, that's an easy one. We know the C sharp scale, everything is sharped. So this is the first to the third note of the C sharp scale. So we have a major third. You could also look at it as a C. C to E is a major third. Therefore, if I sharp them both, it retains its dimensionality. And here I have a B to D sharp. We know our B scale, that's the 1 to 3 of the B scale, so we have a major third there. What's F to A sharp? Some type of third. We know F to A is major, therefore F to A sharp is augmented. G sharp to A is a second, but there's no G sharp scale as a reference, but I do know that G to A is a major second, therefore if I raise the bottom note, it becomes a minor second or a half step. And we need A to B sharp, some type of second. I know that A to B is a major second, therefore if I raise the top note, I'm widening it from major to augmented, and that's done. How about an A flat to a B? Well, I know that the A flat scale, the first and second note are A flat, B flat, therefore A flat, B flat is a major second, and therefore then if I if I raise the B flat to a B, it becomes an augmented second. And what's a B flat to a D sharp? Some type of third. I know my B flat scale. B flat to D is major, therefore B flat to D sharp, we're widening it, and that's another augmented interval. And what's D flat to E sharp? Well, some type of second. And we know that D flat to E flat is major. Therefore, D flat to E is augmented. Therefore, D flat to E sharp is doubly augmented. And again, this was a mistake on my part. You will not see this type of thing on an exam. But here it is on paper, so we've defined it as a doubly augmented second. All right, E to F, some type of second. I know that E to F sharp is major, therefore E to F is smaller than that by a half step, so that's a minor second or half step. What's E flat to F sharp? Some type of second. I know E flat to F is major, therefore E flat to F sharp is augmented. And how about D to F flat? Well, we know D to F sharp is major, then D to F natural is minor, and therefore D to F flat is a diminished third. And how about E to G? E to G is a third. I know E to G sharp is major, therefore E to G is minor. All right, moving on to the second section. Complete the following intervals with a note above the given note. So we want an augmented third above an E flat, so we immediately write in a G. Well, what do we know about what we have right here? E flat to G is a major third. I need an augmented third, so I sharp the top G, making the interval wider. I need a diminished third above A flat. Well, it's going to be some kind of C. Let's take a look. I immediately realize that A flat to C is a major third, therefore A flat to C flat is minor, therefore A flat to C double flat is diminished. I need a minor second above G. It's some type of A. I know that G to A is major, therefore G to A flat is minor. We need a minor third above C, some kind of E. I know that C to E is major, therefore C to E flat is minor. And I need an augmented second above A. So it's some type of B. I know that A to B is major. I need to make it wider, so I'm going to raise the B to a B sharp. And there's my augmented second. Major third above D flat, that's easy. We know our D flat scale, so the answer is F. How about a diminished third above B? Well, it's some kind of D. And what do we know about the B scale? We know B to D sharp is major, therefore B to D is minor, and therefore B to D flat is a diminished third. Okay, augmented third above an A flat, it's going to be some kind of C, but I know A flat to C is major, therefore A flat to C sharp is augmented. All right, second line down here, I need a minor third above F. Well, it's some kind of A. I know F to A is a major third because I know my F scale, therefore the minor third. So F to A is major, so the minor third would be an A flat on top. What's a diminished second above D? Well, it's some kind of E, and I know D to E is major, therefore D to E flat's minor, therefore D to E double flat is diminished. Need a major third above F. Well, I know F to A is a major third, so we'll just write in the A ledger line and put in the A. I need an augmented second above B flat. I know B flat to C is major, but I want to widen this interval by a half step, so I'm going to raise the C to a C sharp. And that's my augmented second. Need a major second above A flat, some kind of B. Well, I know my A flat scale. I know the answer. It's A flat to B flat. It's 1 to 2 of my A flat scale. I need a minor third above B. Well, that's going to be some kind of D. I know from my knowledge of the B scale, B to D sharp is major, therefore B to D is minor. So this is good. B to D is the answer. All right, major third above D flat. We already know our D flat scale, so it's an F. And what's a minor third above A flat? Well, let's put in, we know it's some kind of C, and we know that A flat to C is major, therefore A flat to C flat is minor. All right, we need a minor third above E flat. It's some kind of G. I know E flat to G is major, therefore E flat to G flat is minor. What's an augmented third above B flat? Well, it's some kind of D. And I know B flat to D is major. I have to make it wider. So I'm going to raise that D to a D sharp. And I need a minor third above a D flat, so it's going to be some kind of F. What do I know? I know D flat to F is major third, therefore D flat to F flat is a minor third. And I need a minor third above A flat, that's going to be some kind of C. What do I know? I know my A flat scale. I know A flat to C is major, therefore A flat to C flat is my minor third. I need a minor second above B. So some type of C. I know that B to C sharp is a major second, therefore B to C is a minor second, and this is our answer. I need an augmented second above G. Well, some type of A, and I know G to A is a major second, therefore G to A sharp is my augmented second. And how about an augmented second above A flat? It's going to be some kind of B. What do I know? Well, I know the A flat scale really well, so I know A flat to B flat is a major second. I need an augmented second, so I'm going to raise that B flat. Imagine that's a B flat, A flat to B flat, major second. And I'm just going to get rid of the flat, and we have an A flat to B as our augmented second. And I need a major third above D. I know my D scale, so I immediately know it's an F sharp. Okay, let's go down to the bottom here. I need an augmented second above G. I know it's some kind of A. I also know G to A is major, and I need to widen it further, so I'm going to raise the A to an A sharp, making major augmented. I need a diminished third above an A flat. Well, I know it's going to be some kind of C. What else do I know? I know my A flat scale. I know A flat to C is major, therefore A flat to C flat is minor, therefore A flat to C double flat is my diminished third. Okay, onward. I need an augmented second above a B flat. What do I know? I know B flat to C is a major second, therefore I need to widen this by raising the C to a C sharp. B flat to C sharp, augmented second. Need a minor third above a D flat. Well, some kind of F. And I know my D flat scale really well, so I know D flat to F is a major third, therefore D flat to F flat is my minor third. I need an augmented third above F, some type of A. I know my F scale. I know that F to A is a major third. I need to make it wider, so I need to take this A and sharp it, therefore making a major interval into an augmented interval. All right, need a major second above an F sharp. I know it's going to be some, well, I know the F sharp scale, so F sharp to G sharp is the answer. Getting all caught up in theoretical aspects when I already know the answer. All right, major third above A flat, some type, well, I know that already. A flat to C, because I know my A flat scale is a major third. And what's a minor third above E flat? It's some type of G. What do I know about my E flat scale? I know E flat to G is a major third. Therefore, E flat to G flat is my minor third. Well, that's it for today, folks. And next lesson will be the second review sheet of fourths and fifths. And that will be page 5 of the PDF downloads that you can find in the description section of this video. And please remember to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.